Welcome all in economics class. In the last video, we have read about the supply schedule, and in that we have read individual supply schedule and market supply schedule. Now here in this module, we will read about the supply curve. Supply curve, it is the graphical presentation of supply schedule, which is showing the different quantities offered by a producer at different possible prices. We plot the supply curve by using different quantities and different prices at which producer is ready to sell his product. So it has also two aspects. First is the individual supply curve. Individual supply curve, and second is market supply curve. As we have read about the individual supply schedule and market supply schedule, by using them we present our data. We present the data of a schedule on a graph, and then we will get the supply curve. First is individual supply curve. We are having here the individual supply schedule. You can see in this schedule, this is for the commodity X. A schedule is given of a firm. When price increases 5, 10, 15, 20, you can see here the quantity supplied is also increases by the producer. So it shows there is the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. As price increases, firm is offering more on the higher price. फर्म जो है ज़्यादा सप्लाई कर रही है when price is more, and when price is less, firm is supplying less. So there is positive relation. Now we can plot a graph by using this individual supply schedule. So here I am plotting a graph. On x-axis we are taking the quantity supplied. As in the theory of demand, we have taken quantity demanded on the x-axis. Similarly, in theory of supply, we are taking quantity supplied on the x-axis and price on the y-axis. So here scale we are taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. When we plot a graph, when price is 5, quantity supplied is 0. So our curve will start from the origin. When price is 10, quantity supplied is 10. When price become 15, quantity supplied is 20. And when price become 20, quantity supplied become 30. So when we join all the points, we will get a curve supply curve. SS is the supply curve. It is a straight line curve, and straight line curve which shows the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. As price increases, quantity supplied also increases. So this is the individual supply curve of a firm. Second type of supply curve is the market supply curve. Market supply schedule, as we all know, it is the summation of individual supply schedule. Similarly, market supply curve is the summation of individual supply curve. So here you can see this is the market supply schedule is given here. When firm A and firm B की quantities are given according to the different possible prices. This is the Px is the price of commodity X. It is increasing continuously 5, 10, 15, 20. And in this you can see quantity supplied by firm A, quantity supplied by firm B is given. Individual schedule is given of individual firm and it is the total और वी कैन से समेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल शेड्यूल. तो हमारे पास में MS आई हैव रिटन हेयर फॉर द मार्केट सप्लाई. तो मार्केट सप्लाई हमने कैसे फाइंड आउट की? बाय एडिशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई कर्व. यहाँ पर हमने दो फर्म्स ली हैं. मे बी इन द मार्केट देयर आर सो मेनी फर्म्स प्रोड्यूसिंग अ पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई शेड्यूल जो भी है इंडिविजुअल फॉर्म्स का, उन सब को जब हम ऐड कर देंगे तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? हमें मार्केट सप्लाई वी विल गेट. तो मार्केट सप्लाई we have got here and now I am plotting the market supply and the according to the price on the graph. तो यहाँ पर on the x axis I am taking quantity supplied, on the y axis I am taking here price. So when price is 5, market supply is 0. When price increases to 10, then market supply become 15 here. When price become 15, market supply become 30. So somewhere here. And when price is 20, market supply is 45. So here when we join all the points, we will get a curve which is a straight line curve. This is a, when we draw it by using scale, it will be get a straight line curve, and this is the market supply curve, MS, market supply curve for commodity X. Here I can also make the individual supply curve. It will be easy for us for making the individual supply curve of A. A, as we know, 5 price per 0. We already have made this 10 at the, when price is 10, it is 10. When price is 15, individual supply curve of firm A is 20, and when price is 20, is 30. When we join all the points, we will get a curve like this. A straight line curve start from origin and it will be like this. And firm B का जब हम बनाएंगे, then also when price is 10, quantity 5, and price is 15, quantity is 10. When price is 20, quantity supplied is 15. So here we have got a curve of firm B, firm A, and it is the market supply, which is the summation of supply of firm A and firm B. So in this you can see individual supply curve of firm A and firm B are here, and market supply curve is the summation of firm A and firm B's individual individual supply curve. So it is market supply curve is a flatter curve. It is a flatter curve compared to the individual supply curve. Why it is flatter? It is flatter because market supply is the summation of individual supply curves. तो इसीलिए हमें जो मार्केट सप्लाई कर्व यहाँ पर मिला है दैट इज फ्लैटर देन द इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई कर्व. When we use scale, when we draw by taking the proper scale, then it will we get a straight line curve. Supply curve is straight line curve, as our individual supply curve shows the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. Similarly, our market supply curve is also showing the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. As price increases, when price increases, producers are ready to sell more commodity in the market and market supply also increases. Price increases, quantity supplied also increases. So there is the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. Next is slope of supply curve. As we have seen the supply curve, the individual supply curve and the market supply curve. So in that we have seen our supply curve is a upward sloping curve. Supply curve हमें we have got the supply curve like this. Quantity supplied I am taking on x axis and on y axis I am taking the price. So we have got a curve like this, and this is the supply curve, which is upward sloping curve and shows the direct relation between the price and quantity supplied. When price is OP, quantity supplied is OQ. When price increases and it has become from OP to OP1, our quantity supplied also increases from OQ to OQ1. So there is the positive relation between price and quantity supplied. It is shown by the supply curve. Now, our slope of supply curve is the straight line curve है, upward sloping curve है, and as we all know, we calculate slope. ये क्या है? This is the change in price. When price, initial price is OP, new price is OP1. So this is the change in price and this is the change in quantity. Clear? तो यहाँ पर जब हम slope find out करते हैं एक straight line curve का, we all know how we calculate the slope. It is the change in price, ratio of change in price and change in quantity. This is the slope of supply curve. So change in price, we can, AB is the change in price. तो हम slope को इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, is equals to AB and BC. So this is the slope of supply curve, change in price upon change in quantity. At all the points of supply curve, slope remain, or we can say ratio between change in price and change in quantity become constant, because it is a linear curve, it is a straight line curve, and at all the points of straight line curve, slope remain constant. So this is the slope of supply curve, which is the ratio between change in price and change in quantity. It is showing the rate of change in price corresponding to a unit change in quantity supplied.